Backpacks are an excellent choice to conveniently carry your essential belongings around. Not only are they stylish, but they are also incredibly practical. Let's have a look at some of the coolest bags. Number 5, Pix Mini. Pix Mini is an all-new product that was recently released. It is a terrific gadget and a fun toy that comes in the form of a customizable school backpack that has an LED screen. Pix Mini is a kid's backpack that allows them to interact with built-in characters, keep themselves safe while walking, and play games directly on the backpack itself. This is the first smart backpack in the world designed just for children, and it features a customizable screen. Even in this setting, you are able to communicate your feelings to your companions and receive their feedback. This has significantly altered the landscape of the backpack manufacturing sector. In addition to this, it is the first backpack on the market that assists you in making friends. In spite of this, you can let your classmates in on your own interests by exhibiting works of art that you have created yourself on the bag. It is a wonderful opportunity to meet new people and to be yourself while doing so. On the other hand, the geolocation feature will make it possible for parents to track their children on a map. In addition, there is a mechanism that activates an alarm anytime a youngster travels further away from the bag than is acceptable. It may be managed via a free app called Pix, which is available for download on any iOS or Android-based mobile device. Number 4, Go Sling Pro. Theft is an ever-present danger for people who are traveling. The Go Sling Pro is the most recent innovation in portable storage that will keep your belongings secure while you are on the move. The anti-theft travel bag is a fashionable accessory that is packed with features that make it impossible for anyone to steal your belongings. These features include zipper locks, padding, and a lockable zipper. This awesome bag has a Kevlar lining on the inside that is able to prevent slashes and is 5 times stronger than steel. In addition, there are locking zippers that operate to secure your belongings when you aren't looking, and there is a cut-proof strap that ensures you won't be robbed from behind without being aware of it. Alpaca made sure the design was aesthetically beautiful on top of being functional because they are aware that you want to look well while you are traveling. This sophisticated luggage features an interior lining made of water-repellent materials, which helps to ensure that your belongings will remain dry in the event that it rains. Even though it isn't particularly big, the Go Sling Pro tote bag has enough space inside for everything you could possibly require for a day trip. It has sufficient space for a DSLR camera, an iPad mini, and a phone, as well as a wallet, keys, and other necessary charging accessories. It even comes with an external USB connector, allowing you to remain connected throughout the day. Number 3, Numi. We are excited to introduce you to the chic backpack that will revolutionize the way you travel. It has a design and engineering that is jam-packed with features that will keep you fully charged, safe, and organized while you are on the road. This travel bag has been thoughtfully crafted to cater to the requirements of today's intrepid explorers. However, it is not merely a clever pack in itself. It will contribute to the improvement and cleaning up of the environment. The Numi solar backpack offers passengers safety as well as a significant amount of electricity when they are on the move. Cool design hidden zippers a bag with a capacity of 20 or 30 liters 7-watt solar panel that can power a battery pack of 11,000 mAh or 22,000 mAh capacity, 2 USB ports, built-in 3.0 ports resistant to the elements, detachable laptop sleeve content that is extremely nicely arranged. Pockets with easy access, adjustable side straps, water bottle holder, sunglass holder, hooded raincoat. Smart pockets make sure that all of your possessions remain dry and secure. Urfid block pockets, stripes, and a logo with reflective material. Solar power, air conditioning, or vehicle charging are all acceptable. Number 2, Hiker Power. The Ranger Hiker Power Backpack is the world's first backpack power station. Elegant design, ergonomic power backup, adjustable ambient light, 3D rainproof cover, signal lights, and adequate room for essentials. It will address any travel power station concerns. This Hiker Power Ranger is great for camping and lengthy travel because it's roomy and has charging plugs, D-hook hangers, etc. BMS prevents fires and short circuits. This arrangement protects the battery outside. Aluminum protects Hiker Power in every environment. Ranger provides 600 watt-hours and 1000 watts of reliable power. 3C items, cameras, drones, GoPros, projectors, and e-bikes are compatible. Multi-device charging is possible. World's first side plug AC outlet. So you can charge your electronics. The Hiker Power Backpack can fit clothes, food, drink, cameras, drones, and more. It helps you travel light and carry more essentials. A D-hook attachment lets you attach your sleeping bag, yoga mats, solar panels, and tents to the backpack. Rainproofing is great. It has a protected hidden 3D proof rain cover. Turn down heat dissipation to avoid water, especially in damp woodlands. We recommend using the Hiker Power Backpack between 10 degrees C 45 degrees C/14 degrees F 113 degrees F. Hiker Power Ranger has a removable harness and rucksack. Nylon gives it durability and room. Hiker Power has 3 flashing red, blue, green, and yellow indicator lights, single click, double click, and long press. These features increase nighttime visibility. The Hiker Power Ranger boasts brilliant, adjustable ambient lighting for nighttime journeys. You can use the light to view others' locations and avoid getting lost. This night light will deter wild animal attacks. This will give a rescue light in case of danger or emergency. Number 1, Hoverglide. Everyone loves adventures. How about traveling with a floating, lightweight backpack? Hoverglide's floating backpack makes travel and outdoor activities easier. When carrying 50 pounds, the peak exertion can be 150 pounds. Suspended load technology has reduced the extra force and static weight by 86%. Hoverglide has 4 different backpack models. Hemp backpacks can enhance your outdoor experience. Hoverglide, a floating backpack, is more than just its special features. This floating backpack can carry up to 50 pounds, but it must be locked to avoid confusion. Floating pockets and a hip belt pocket organize light items. Durable and lightweight nylon ripstop back material. Reading floating, you may imagine a floating backpack. The design protects against light, rain, and moisture. Hoverglide backpack is ready to carry your gear in rough conditions. I hope, in this video, you get to know more about the latest unique gadgets on the market. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon as we upload gadgets videos on our channel. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys in the next video.